Hello, my name is Jim, and this is how I pee, standing up. In fact, I've been doing it for over 40 years. I consider myself quite the expert at it. The problem when guys stand to pee is they get pee that splashes back on them. It splashes out of the center of the toilet, and anytime they hit the rim, it'll splash off the rim and land on the floor or on us. It's absolutely disgusting. As a germ freak, I had to do something about it. So I set out to find a solution. And my solution is the Tinkle Topper. The Tinkle Topper is a splash and splatter prevention device that goes on top of your toilet but under the seat. When one of us boys needs to pee, we raise the toilet seat like mommy taught us, and that will expose the Tinkle Topper. Its function is so simple yet so effective. It has a graded surface on top along with a self-draining base. So any pee that would impact the rim of the toilet gets redirected back into the bowl. Any pee that lands right in the center of the toilet that splashes back out gets caught by the overhanging design of the Tinkle Topper. So no longer are you cleaning the disgusting mess that collects around your toilet, now you're just cleaning the Tinkle Topper. And cleaning the Tinkle Topper is incredibly easy. You can simply pull it off the toilet and put it right in your shower to rinse it off. I personally use a spray that I'll spray into it, and it'll bubble up throughout the Tinkle Topper and then drain right back into the bowl. Or you can use any of your classic bathroom cleaning products that you're accustomed to using. Have you ever thought about how dirty your bathroom actually is? There's pee everywhere. It's on the floor, it's on the walls. In fact, it's well documented that pee can fly up out of the toilet as high as 2 or 3 feet. It's gross. And then people walk into your bathroom and walk back out and track that pee throughout your entire house. Wouldn't it be nice to keep all that pee in the toilet where it's supposed to be? That's what the Tinkle Topper does. Parents love the Tinkle Topper for potty training. Guys like me love it because it keeps pee from splattering back out on us as we're going to the bathroom. In fact, if you're the one that cleans your bathroom, you'll love it too because it makes cleaning that much easier and makes your bathroom a cleaner place. Myself and a group of testers have been using the Tinkle Topper for well over a year. It has changed my life for the better. In fact, I don't even like using a bathroom without a Tinkle Topper anymore. Your backing will be instrumental in bringing Tinkle Toppers to homes all across America. I hope you'll jump on board with me and make this Kickstarter campaign a huge success. The revenue generated will be used to buy the expensive tooling we're going to need to mass produce Tinkle Toppers. The rewards are listed below. You can be the first of your friends to get a Tinkle Topper at half off the price they'll be offered at retail. A Tinkle Topper is so much more than a piece of plastic we put on the toilet. It will change your life for the better and make your bathroom and house cleaner. A Tinkle Topper in your bathroom will make everybody happy. Can I have some privacy? I'll just be like 2 more minutes.